What's going on, guys? Josh Sykes with you for OutdoorNewsAmerica.com. As always, if you like the content we're producing, if you like our short little videos, go ahead and click that subscribe button down below. Leave us a thumbs up. Ask any questions that you may have. If I can find the answer to them, I'll always respond and let you know I found the answer. If I can't find the answer, I'll go to the manufacturer and ask on your behalf, and we'll get the answer for you. In the studio with me today, I've got something really cool that I've been super excited. I've actually had this on my desk for a little while and have found it over the holiday season, and I wanted to share it with you because I really think it is a really cool invention. And in the holster market, you don't see that many new inventions every day. So when I saw this, I was really excited to get my hands on it and share it with you. This is the new attachment system from Blade Tech. Now I want to show you, this is a two-part system. What you've got here is basically like this circle attachment here, and I've got it just connected. This is my G-Force Rapture pistol. But if you see that there, I've got it mounted on a pancake style holster. It's just got two little screws here that mount that, and you can actually mount this thing to anything that you would like. And the second part of that system looks like this right here. And this is the real unique part of this system and how this operates. Now on the back side of this, you've got some clips there, some belt clips. These open up just like this right here. So you could put this on a backpack or a shoulder strap or whatever you may want. Lock those straps down there tight. Now, the cool part of this system, this is what I love about it. You can mount this to anything. Get 2 or 3 of these, mount them to a backpack, put one on your belt, put one in your car, and that little circle right there slides right down in this groove and locks into place. So you've got your holster mount there, and what's really cool about this, you can actually press this little second layer there. You can actually rotate this however you might want it. So if this was mounted to your chest here, you could rotate that and adjust the cant however you want it. Once you've got it locked in place, there's a little tab right here you push forward, and that locks that in place so you can't turn that anymore. So let's say you want to release this. Let's say you've got this mounted to your car, and this is riding with you in your vehicle, and you've also got one on your belt, and you're transitioning from your vehicle to concealed carry mode. All you got to do is push that little tab there forward, press this down, that slides right out, and you can go right into your belt. Just a great little system from Blade Tech. Blade Tech was kind enough to send me 2 or 3 different variations of this. I've got one with kind of a molly attachment on the back of it there. This one is a unique system here that I haven't seen. I think that's probably proprietary to Blade Tech. And then the couple of these little circle systems here that you could utilize in any way, shape, or form. I actually plan on making this version that I have here an adaptation for my vehicle, so I could put this up under the seat of my truck or the side of the compartment panel there. Just a really nice system from Blade Tech, and I'm sure they've got this patented. It says so on the system itself. Check them out online, bladetech.com. Really cool item. I just want to share this with you guys. I hope you've enjoyed it. I enjoyed it. I like it. I think you will too. Until next time, we'll talk to you soon.